Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to find coordinates on Google Maps in 2026. So if you need the exact latitude and longitude of a place for directions, travel, work, or sharing a location, this guide will walk you through the whole process step by step. First, open Google Maps on your phone or computer. Make sure you're connected to the internet so the map loads properly. If you're using a phone, press and hold anywhere on the map until a red pin appears. Once the pin drops, the coordinates will show up in the search bar or information panel. To copy the coordinates, tap the numbers shown on the screen. Google Maps will usually copy them automatically, so you can paste them into messages, navigation apps, or documents. Now if you're on a computer, right-click anywhere on the map. A small menu will appear showing the coordinates for that exact location. Click the coordinates from the menu and Google Maps will open a detailed location panel. So from here you can save, share, or get directions using those coordinates. You can also search using coordinates instead of an address. Just type the latitude and longitude into the search bar, then press enter. Google Maps will instantly jump to that exact spot. Latitude measures how far north or south a place is, while longitude measures east or west. I mean, you don't really need to memorize that part, but it helps understand how coordinates work. Once you have the coordinates, you can send them to anyone through text, email, or messaging apps. This is especially useful for places without exact street addresses. And yeah, that's how to find coordinates on Google Maps in 2026. Whether you're using mobile or desktop, getting exact location data only takes a few seconds once you know where to look.